Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make tabbouleh salad. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna see our ingredients. 1 punch of parsley, a quarter punch of green mint, 3 spoons of burghul wheat, 1 tomato, 1 cucumber, and 2 of scallions, 4 big spoons of olive oil, 2 big spoons of lemon juice, and finally some cumin, black pepper, and some salt. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our tabbouleh. First, soak the burghul wheat in a cold water for around half an hour. Chop the parsley and the mint, and this is our parsley and mint after I chopped it. As you can see, it's not very fine chopped. Third, cut the tomato, the scallions, and the cucumber. Then put it over the parsley and the mint. After that, put the cumin, the black pepper, and the salt. Then mix all together. In a side plate, put 2 spoons of lemon juice, add over it 4 big spoons of olive oil and mix them together. Then add it over the tabbouleh. Mix all together and finally add over it the burghul. After you squeeze it from the water, put it on the tabbouleh and mix everything together. My friends, this is all for today. Tabbouleh salad is a very delicious salad. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.